The sun was shining brightly on a warm summer day as Anna prepared for her journey. She had been planning this trip for months, and today was the day. Anna loved exploring new places, and she had always dreamed of visiting Green Valley, a beautiful, untouched area known for its stunning landscapes, peaceful rivers, and quiet forests. She wanted to experience the beauty of nature, breathe in the fresh air, and see the wide open sky above her. Anna packed her backpack with all the essentials. She had a bottle of water, some snacks, a small map, her camera, and a journal. She also brought a blanket to sit on, a hat to protect herself from the sun, and a flashlight just in case she stayed out later than planned. Her heart was full of excitement as she set out on the trail leading to the valley. The path was a bit rocky, but the trees around her provided shade and a cool breeze that made the journey pleasant. As she walked deeper into the valley, Anna noticed the world becoming quieter. The sounds of the city were far behind her, replaced by the soft rustling of leaves and the chirping of birds. She could hear the faint sound of a river flowing nearby, which made her feel even more at peace. She smiled to herself, feeling grateful for this moment of solitude in nature. After a while, Anna reached a clearing with a magnificent view of the valley. She could see miles and miles of green hills, small clusters of trees, and the winding river reflecting the sunlight like a silver ribbon. She took a deep breath, letting the fresh, earthy smell fill her lungs. It was a moment she wanted to remember forever. Anna decided to sit down and take out her journal to write about her experience. She described the valley as a peaceful place untouched by the worries of the world. As she wrote, she noticed a small family of deer walking across the field in front of her. She watched them with awe, careful not to make any noise that might scare them away. The deer seemed so calm and graceful, moving slowly as they grazed on the fresh grass. After spending some time writing, Anna took out her camera and captured a few pictures of the landscape. She wanted to remember every detail, the colors of the trees, the way the light hit the river, and the soft shadows of the clouds drifting across the sky. Photography was one of Anna's hobbies, and she loved capturing moments that made her feel connected to nature. The day passed peacefully as Anna explored different parts of the valley. She found a small waterfall hidden among the rocks and spent some time there, listening to the sound of water crashing against the stones. The sound was loud yet calming, making her feel like she was in her own little world. She dipped her feet in the cool water and felt refreshed, thankful for this quiet moment. As the sun began to set, the valley was bathed in golden light. The sky turned shades of orange, pink, and purple, and Anna knew it was time to head back. She felt a bit sad to leave this beautiful place but promised herself she would return one day. Before she left, she sat down on her blanket one last time, looking out at the valley as it grew darker. Anna packed her things, making sure she left no trace behind. She believed in respecting nature, leaving places as she found them so that others could enjoy their beauty too. As she walked back along the path, she felt a deep sense of peace and happiness. This journey had reminded her of the simple joys in life, the sound of birds, the fresh smell of trees, and the beauty of a quiet place far from the busy world. When she finally returned home, she was tired but filled with joy. She looked at the photos she had taken and read through her journal. remembering each moment of her day. That night, as she drifted off to sleep, she felt grateful for the beauty of Green Valley and the memories she had made. The valley was not just a place. It was a reminder of the importance of nature, peace, and taking time to enjoy life's simple treasures.